welcome to my channel A Walk with Gitika. Back with video after long time, and yes, I am here with a toy review, and this toy actually compelled me to make this video and give this review because I loved it, and also my 3-year-old Prakhar, almost 3.5-year-old, is loving this toy. It's the Fun Magnetic Shape by Play Panda. So I got this magnetic play box from Amazon, and it's in 349 rupees, and there are two variants, the type 2 and type 1. This is actually type 2 for age group 5 to 99 years, and it is actually for kids as well as adults. So it's not opening of box, it's already open, and so I thought of giving it a review and telling you all how good it is. So let's open it. First I'll tell you, this is Fun Magnetic Shapes type 2, age 5 to 99 years, but my kid is 3.5 and he is actually loving it, and we are also loving it. So it contains 58 magnetic shapes, as you can see here. I'll show you inside as well, and from these shapes you can make almost anything, be it fruits, any shape, alphabets, rainbow, heart, helicopter, flowers, everything. And there is a booklet, 164 images are there which you can make from these shapes. So, and we have a magnetic board, and we have a display stand as well. So let's open it. So I'll show you. This is actually the board, the white display board. As you can see, it's Play Panda written here, and my kid is already here because I thought I'm going to play with this display board. These are the pieces, and the pieces are well adjusted in this grooves, and this will help you to prevent it from getting lost. And we have all the shapes, actually 58 shapes, the semicircle, rectangle, square of different colors, the triangle, and vertical lines to make all the shapes, small triangle, square, and of varying colors. So your kids will learn color as well, and the shapes as well, and they will draw different things. So it will enhance their creativity and their fine motor skill as well. So let's see what else we have inside the box. We have this stand, which is actually a display stand. So when kids draw anything, the parents can actually display it, display their kids' creativity. So this is the stand. We have this two booklets with different shapes. The Play Panda Fun Magnetic Shapes type 2, and see all that kid or you can make from these shapes. We have the swan here, the cock, the fisherman, the mosquito, as you can see it here, the spider, and mouse, and so many things. It's on the back side also. You can see it's toothbrush, key, flower, and so many things. And similarly, you have another book also. This is the book. Sorry, it's actually a little torn out. The book with various shapes and the alphabets. So if your kid is in the learning phase of learning alphabets and colors, I think this is a very good gift. And currently, if you are in a corona scare and you cannot let your kid go out, so this is, I think, the best thing to give to your kid who is 3+ years. and because it will keep your kid engaged for hours. Because when I bought this, I thought it will go like every other toy, it will get lost in a day or two. But then today is almost a week, and my Prakhar is enjoying it, and he is not just drawing the 164 characters or figures that are mentioned in the booklet. He is actually innovating new things. He is actually innovating new ideas. Mama, see, I have drawn a bottle. Mama, see, I have made a cup. So it's actually very good to develop your kids' motor skill. And another thing is, the quality is good. I'll show you the board. This is the board, hard enough and also very light, of the size of a tablet, and it's good to handle with. Then we have this very soft display or grooves where you can put back the puzzles. And these puzzles, I'll show you the puzzles. This is the puzzle, the individual one. It's very soft, and we have a magnetic strip behind this, and this magnetic strip gets stuck to this board, which is a metallic board. And this magnetic shapes are very light and very careful, so very good for your kid. They will actually enjoy it. And one important thing that I want you to keep in mind, like we have very small pieces as well here. As you can see, this is very small, my size of a finger. This goes in the first place, so it's very small. Then we have this half circle. This is also very small. So if your kid is small enough, like mine is 3.5, almost 3.5 years, so I have to keep an eye, because he might swallow the small pieces, so that can be hazardous for your kid. So it's important to keep an eye if your kid is small enough. And this toy is not only for the kid, it's actually for adult as well, because even I am loving drawing it. I am loving figuring out what else I can draw and what all I can make with this magnetic shapes. So, the shapes, and my little brother again making, innovating new shapes, new designs. Wow, this is very beautiful. The umbrella, the cup. Wow, this is very nice. Now, let's make this tortoise. Okay, Prakhar? Let's make this tortoise. Helicopter. Wow, Prakhar, तुम्हारा tortoise तो बहुत beautiful है. Wow, elephant. Elephant. And to display your kids' artwork. One magnetic shape from Play Panda is actually a mind booster, fine motor skill development for your kid, and actually this will enhance your kids' creativity as well as learning capability. So if you are confused on what to do in this lockdown when kids are all packed inside the home, so you can go for this toy. You can go for this toy from Amazon in just rupees 349, and your kid will love this, and you will also love this. This is for kid as well as rightly mentioned for up to 99 years. So even the parents will love to make this. Do buy it, and very good product. Just keep in mind, so your kid do not swallow it and do not lose it, do not lost it. So keep an eye and enjoy this game. Have fun and keep your kid away from screen time, from television for a long time. So this is the review of a very good puzzle, very good game set for your kid, if your kid is 3+ years, and for you as well. So enjoy it, have fun, and do like my videos and subscribe to my channel if you feel like. Thank you so much.